In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify themes in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a professional presentation or a personal project, personalizing your theme can make all the difference in how your content is perceived. Let's dive into it. To begin with, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You should now have your presentation ready in front of you with all your slides set up. Now we want to focus on enhancing the look and feel by modifying the themes. Let's head over to the Design tab. You'll find it located at the top of your PowerPoint window, nestled among other tabs like Home and Insert. The Design tab is your gateway to all things aesthetic in PowerPoint. Once you're there, direct your attention to the right side of the ribbon. This is where you'll find the Variants group. It's packed full of options to tweak your presentation's appearance. In the Variants group, you'll notice a small arrow, often referred to as the More arrow or Down arrow. It's situated right next to the displayed variants. Click that arrow and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. The first one we'll explore is Colors. By hovering over colors, you'll find a variety of preset color palettes. These palettes are designed to harmonize perfectly with your theme, offering a quick way to inject some style into your presentation. Choose any of the preset color palettes by clicking on it. The moment you click, you'll notice the changes reflected across your slides, adding a new vibrancy and cohesion to your visuals. Now let's move on to fonts. In the Variants group, click the More arrow once again. This time hover over Fonts. Here's where you can explore various font pairings. Each option comes with a combination of styles for your headings and body text. Go ahead and click on any of these font pairings that catch your eye. Instantly, your text gets a fresh new look, lending clarity and emphasis to your message. Lastly, we'll adjust the background styles. Again, click the More arrow in the Variants section. Hover over Background Styles and you'll find a set of numbered styles. These styles provide different shading or background colors, all tailored to the color palette you selected earlier. Click on one of these numbered styles, and just like that, your presentation adopts a whole new background aesthetic. It's a subtle yet powerful way to enhance the visual appeal of your slides. And there you have it. These simple modifications can significantly elevate the overall design of your PowerPoint presentation. Experimenting with these features not only makes your presentation look polished, but also ensures your content stands out. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.